Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be doing a quick unboxing of the Yeyian Proud Series 3500 RGB gaming headset. Alright, this gaming headset comes with some nice large ear cups, adapters for multi-devices including the USB or 3.5mm jack, so that gives you connections to Xbox, PS5s and things like that. 15mm drivers for your audio, very nice. High fidelity sound, ergonomic and comfortable. It comes with a nice headrest and a detachable microphone, nice. So let's do a quick unboxing and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the Yeyian Proud Series 3500 gaming headset. It comes with RGB lights, ergonomic and comfortable design, high fidelity sound and a 50mm driver with a removable microphone. Alright, let's take a look inside. What do we have here? It's the user manual and some product information and warranty. Let's take a look inside this bag. It comes with some replaceable ear cups, some nice ear cups, and a detachable microphone and an audio extension cable with the mic in and audio out. Okay, let's take a look at the headset. Alright, here we go. Got some nice ear cups, 50mm driver, nice comfortable ear cups. There's also a headband here. So these twists, yeah, they twist. So it got a nice angle there. And this is the microphone jack. So put that in there. So give you that nice microphone connection there. All right. Got the RGB strip along here. No branding on the top though. Is this detachable? No. So the audio cable is not detachable. Got this nice braided cable though. Let's take a look at the controls. Alright, so you have the volume up and down here. And also the mute button for the microphone. On the connection side we have a USB and the audio 3.5mm jack. You can use the extension cable then to plug that in to give you the audio out and the microphone in. Alright, let's see the RGB in effect and see how it looks. I just switched on the RGB and it got some nice RGB lighting along the ear cup here and also the Yeyian logo. Alright, so yeah, it's got this flex, so it should be comfortable to wear, and we'll see how it looks and sound. Okay, that was a quick unboxing of the Yeyian Proud Series 3500. And there you have that was a quick unboxing of the Yeyian Proud Series 3500 RGB gaming headset. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via links in the description. And of course, visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.